Hey friends, Dave here with Stahls, and I've got big news for apparel decorators. That's right, Goof Proof screen printed transfers are now available directly from Stahls.com. Now, if you're looking for a faster, easier, and more cost-effective way to print apparel, well, this is it. Now, Goof Proof has been the industry's best-selling screen print transfer for over 30 years, and for good reason. With just a 4-second press, you can speed through production, save time on every order, and deliver a retail quality finish that's soft to the touch and built to last. Seriously, look at how great some of these examples look, with the ink sitting way down into the fibers of the t-shirt for that super professional, real deal screen printed result. Now, this is the same Goof Proof that's been a fan favorite at Transfer Express for over 30 years, which is just incredible. But now it's easier than ever to order right here on Stahls.com. So today we're going to cover what a screen printed transfer like Goof Proof is, how they benefit you as a decorator, and we'll even talk about some comparisons of when you should use them over, say, Ultracolor Max or Inktra transfers. So are you ready? Let's jump right in. Now, with direct-to-film transfers like our Ultracolor Max as the latest and greatest innovations in heat transfers these days, let's quickly cover what a screen-printed transfer is, right? But it is a pre-printed design made using the same screen printing process as traditional screen printing that's being applied directly on the t-shirt, right? But instead of applying the ink directly to the fabric of the shirt, the design is printed onto a special transfer sheet. And then, with your heat press and using heat and pressure, we apply that transfer to a garment on our press. And the ink's going to transfer from the sheet into the fibers of that t-shirt, creating a long-lasting and durable print. Now, this method combines the quality and feel of traditional screen printing with the convenience of printing at your heat press, making it an excellent choice for decorators looking to scale production without the hassle of setting up screens, dealing with all of the messy inks, and the chemicals and cleanup involved in screen printing. I will say, personally, I learned how to screen print on my kitchen table over 15 years ago. And since then, I've worked through several different commercial screen printing shops. And let me tell you, the first time I ever pressed one of these Goof Proof transfers, I thought my entire life was a lie. It was way too easy. So, let's talk about why to choose Goof Proof over any other heat transfer options. Now, this is mainly going to be if you are printing bulk orders, or really any quantity 25 and up. I know depending on your shop or your business, 25 may be a low order, and that's okay. You could go even higher than that, right? But anything quantity 25 and up with a one ink color in the design, so say it's just white, Goof Proof is going to be your go-to. Now, it's significantly more cost-effective than DTF when you are printing in large quantities, and it still gives you that true screen printed look and feel, so it doesn't feel like a digital print at all. And the pricing starts at the equivalent of about 1 cent per square inch, so even at that minimum quantity, you are cheaper than 99% of any DTF you would ever want to use. And with steep quantity breaks, it only goes down from there. So you have a price break at 50 quantity, 100, 150, and so on, right? And you'll even have fast next day production when you order by 3 p.m. Eastern time. So you're never really going to be stuck waiting for your transfers to arrive. It's all about efficiency here. Faster printing, fewer delays, and more profit for your business. Now, when should you use Goof Proof instead of Ultracolor Max direct-to-film prints? Now, if you need full color prints, artwork with 3 or 4 or 5, 6 colors in the design, any super complex details, or super small quantity runs, say for printing on demand, Ultracolor Max is still going to be your way to go. But if you're printing single color designs in bulk and want the most durable, cost-effective solution, Goof Proof is going to win every single time. It's perfect for jobs for, say, schools, teams, local businesses, and event merch where you need those higher quantities and a clean, vibrant, and opaque print that looks and feels retail ready, right? With that traditional screen print feel or that favorite shirt in the closet print feel, right? So I see so many decorators out there in the industry, from the shops that I visit to the decorators that I help online, that are utilizing DTF for large orders of single color artwork. And it just hurts me a little bit because they're leaving so much money on the table, and time too. Of course, the cost savings could be huge like we covered before, but factor in the time savings too. So while it is a 4-second press, that's 11 to 12 seconds less per shirt over, say, a DTF transfer. And that's not even saying if you're out there post-pressing your DTF too, right? So over the course of, say, just 50 shirts, you're going to get at least 10 minutes back in your day. And over the course of a full day of production, you're looking at getting an extra hour in your day. And I don't know if you're anything like me, more time in every single day is a good thing. Don't get me wrong, right? I sure do love Ultra Color Max, but DTF isn't this one-size-fits-all transfer that some people make it out to be. And to be completely honest, the decorators that I see out there finding the most success and profits with their heat press have more than one tool in their toolbox, or more than one transfer type at their disposal. Now you might be wondering, well, how does Goof Proof then compare to Inktra screen printed transfers? Well, the biggest difference here is going to be the carrier type first off, right? So Goof Proof uses a paper carrier versus the clear PET carrier on Inktra transfers. And while the clear carrier for Inktra sure makes placement a little easy, especially if you're using a Hoptronics ProPlace IQ, the paper carrier is much more economical. So you're going to find a much lower price here with the Goof Proof transfers, allowing you to maximize your profit margins even further. Now, I'm not trying to make Inktra sound like it's expensive. It's not at all. Now, while Inktra works at a low temperature and is great for synthetics like nylon or printing on spandex with that single color artwork, Goof Proof is optimized for cotton and polycotton blends, making it ideal for t-shirts, hoodies, and everyday apparel. Now, Goof Proof is available in lower minimum quantities too, at just 25 pieces, where Inktra has a 50-piece minimum. Now, the clear carrier on Inktra allows for a little bit finer level of detail. That plastic carrier could just hold the ink a lot better. So for, say, super thin lines, Inktra's probably going to be the preferred method. But for the vast majority of artwork that you're going to need, Goof Proof is going to print perfectly fine. Just keep an eye out for any small text, say in clothing labels, that might close up when printed. I'm talking things like the inside of O's or the inside of P's or A's. Next, let's chat finish and feel. As they're both screen printed transfers that utilize real deal plastisol ink, Goof Proof has a softer, more vintage feel on the garment. Though with certain colors, I'm talking yellow maybe, it may be less opaque as Inktra depending on the specific use or ink color. Now, you could always ask for samples if you're unsure of a finished result. We want you to be confident in your decorating capabilities. Now, the next difference is going to be print sizes. Now, Inktra and Goof Proof are both available as single image transfers in 2 sizes. Now, Inktra is going to be available as a 12 by 12 or a 9 by 12.75, where Goof Proof shares the smaller 9 by 12.75 size, but the larger size is larger with Goof Proof at 11 by 14 inches for those full fronts or full back prints. Now, ordering is super simple on Stahls.com. Just upload your artwork and our AI assist will help prep it for the absolute perfect results. Just choose your size, that 9 by 12.75 or the 11 by 14, and place your order. And with a 25-piece minimum, it's great for those teams, schools, local businesses, or even stuff like family reunion shirts. Now, best of all, if you order by 3 p.m. Eastern Time, it ships the very next business day. No long waits, no complicated process, just fast, high-quality, screen-printed transfers that make your life easier. I do want to mention that the colorways at 24 stock colors are available with both Inktra and Goof Proof screen printed transfers. All right, enough talking. Let's print a shirt, right? I want to show you just how easy and goof proof these Goof Proof transfers actually are. So first, we're going to go here on our Hotronix autoclam and we're going to set our press to 365 degrees and the time to 4 seconds. Now, if you're printing on 100% polyester, you could lower the temperature to 325 degrees with Goof Proof, but we'll have to adjust our time up to 10 to 12 seconds. Now, we'll also need to ensure we're at a medium to firm pressure or between a 6 to 8 with a digital pressure readout, just like we have here on our screen. Now, pressure is the key to success here. Not enough pressure will lead to misapplied transfers that may crack or wear unusually fast. A reason a well-built and accurate heat press is key for those durable, long-lasting t-shirt prints. Next, we'll want to ensure that we have a firm, flat, and smooth printing surface here, free of collars, seams, or any obstructions. And we're going to pre-press this here for 3 to 5 seconds. Now, this is super important to ensure any moisture in the garment steams out way before we try to push ink down into the fibers of the shirt. If that steam is pushing up while we're trying to push inks down, well, that's a recipe for a bad time. Next, we're going to position the transfer on the garment with the ink side facing down, which these grid lines on the back of the carrier actually help a little bit to ensure the design isn't crooked on our placement. But in most cases, like we kind of see here, we can actually see the ink through that paper carrier when we have a dark ink on this paper. Now, we press this for 4 to 6 seconds. Then, as soon as the press opens, we'll peel the paper carrier away hot, leaving behind a high-quality plastisol screen print on our apparel. No second press with a cover sheet. This print is good to go. So if you want a professional print that saves you time, money, and frustration on those larger runs of the single color artwork, Goof Proof is your answer. Start printing smarter today and get free samples or order now over at Stahls.com. As always, subscribe right here to the Stahls TV YouTube page to stay up to date on all of the helpful heat printing tips, tricks, and inspiration that we're bringing out every single week right here for you. But until next time, I'm Dave. Happy pressing.